Oh, hell and oh, everyone, and today I'm introducing you guys to my Pokemon region, Beja. A little bit of context. This Pokemon region is based off of Australia. So all the animals that these Pokemon are based off of are going to be a part that are native to Australia. I tried to make a fire sword that's actually a spider, but I ended up doing a whole 180. So actually starting off with our fighter starter, we have got Kangarcute, the small Pokemon. The strongest that this Pokemon has ever get is this Pokemon this Pokemon can crack boulders open, just like a Mudkip. So they have something in common. And then we have Kangnast, a fire dark type. Some say this Pokemon is toxic figuratively and literally. But it still didn't get the poison type because figuratively meant like a very dark person, like a very insulting person. And then they evolve into Kanghero, the hero Pokemon. I know you guys are going to hate me for this, but it's firefighting. I really couldn't think of any type matchup. Fire fairy, but like this Pokemon is kangaroo. They're attacked. So like there's no other choice than fighting. So this Pokemon is the heroic Pokemon. It protects a bunch of little Pokemon. But Pokemon that can actually defend themselves are Pokemon that Kangaroo just see as normal people who can defend themselves. Normal Pokemon. And then, moving on to our water starter, we have Fendopus, the independent Pokemon. So this Pokemon is extremely weak and needs heroic Pokemon for its aid. Then, Fendopus evolves into Snagapus, the toxic Pokemon. Now it's poison water because like platypuses are actually poisonous because in their hind legs they have these little spikes that are poisonous. So yeah, I just gave that to them. And also, because platypuses are genetically modified, the final evolution is a psychic water type. It's Cypus, the psychic platypus Pokemon. Because it's genetically modified, it now has the ability to create psychic energy. And the source of that psychic energy is its tail. And then our grass starter. Grats, the grass bat Pokemon. This Pokemon cannot stand up without assistance, like its evolutions, or robot, or its trainer. So most of the time, it flies, just like a Noibat. And then it evolves into Plox, the flying fox Pokemon. So this Pokemon is extremely helpful when it comes to doing things. Because of its 5-foot height, it can easily traverse things up to higher things, which humans can't reach. Then we have Flomo. Please ignore the no-no sign here. It is It's grass flying. And this Pokemon, the helpful Pokemon, just like Hang Hero, Flomal can also help do stuff, just like Plox. Grass flying, and it's the helpful Pokemon. And then moving on to our regional rodents. Noala, a mixture. Its name is a mixture of no brawl, and koala. So this Pokemon does not like battles. Yeah, that's kind of the entire point. And then they evolve into Stealola, the mad scientist Pokemon. A poison dark type. Stealola. You can see this potion. The brown substance in there is their mother's dung. And Noala is a normal type, by the way. This is a poison dark type, and it has a potion which is going to put its dung in, and then it's going to become our newest item, the decay potion, which can be thrown at an enemy or used on your Pokemon. It's kind of like a status and physical, and also it's Stealola's signature move. So Stealolas are kind of good for competitive. And then moving on to our regional dog, Steelgo, a pure normal type. And also, fun fact about me, I like hinting at the evolutions ending with the pre-evolution's name. So Steelgo will fight to the death just for its trainer. And then Steelgo evolves into Metingo, a pure steel type. 1 minute. It's going to kind of be like a Lucario, except pure steel. So it can make steel, and it can throw it at the opponent, while the trainer makes a run. And also, fun fact about Metingo, it can climb up metal walls. So if you have a metal building, beware of a Metingo. If you're in the Beta region, they can climb up walls. And then introducing our regional turtle, Tufo. Mixture of turtle and UFO. It's a pure water type. There's not really much to say about it. So we're moving on to Talion, a water psychic type. So Talion has some aliens invading its shell. They put some mechanical parts, and now it's a UFO. So the head is how they get out, and then the tail is how they get in. In, out. And that's where tail comes from, as in tail. And then T for turtle, duh. And then Talion, as in like alien, for alien. Okay, and then our regional bird, Egu, a pure normal type. It's just hatching from its egg, so there's really nothing to say about it, except it's an egg boy. And then we have Groundu, the evolution to Egu. So it's a ground dark type, and it's kind of like a partner in crime with Stealola. So like Stealola manipulate this Pokemon to be like, hey, if you help me, I'll unfreeze your neck from all this ground. And the ground And the Groundy, being the unaware Pokemon, is like, yes, I have to get this off of me. Even though the Stealola actually tricked it. Imagine if Groundy's parents are like, do not trust any Stealola. They will not make your Groundy neck on Groundy. And also I added some minerals. Minerals? How can you say that so fast? Minerals? Okay. And then our regional bug. This is my first attempt. I based it off of the Balmain bug. And actually, this Pokemon is now going to be like a spider. So yeah, Bowmaster is like the wise Pokemon, but I took care of that idea. And then for our actual regional bug, it doesn't get an evolution, which is so sad. But in return, you get a bug dragon type. So, Dragsmid, a bug dragon type. It's based off of the sharp leaf Phasmid, even though there's no grass. In its move pool, it can still learn grass type moves. Just it's a dragon type instead of a grass type. Actually, this might be, you're not supposed to have a favorite drawing, but this guy's like one of my favorites. Look at the cute little boy. So yeah, Dragsmith, my favorite regional bug ever. He's super loyal. He has spiky spikes. So I basically just drew so most of these Pokemon are just me just drawing the animal and then making them evolve into something else. But Dragsmith is a dragon. Pick his tail. And actually, Phasmid arm structures actually just like this. So yeah. I hope you like this video, and please like and subscribe and have a very good old day.